Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking this morning from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking today at a book from Law Society Publishing. It's another excellent book in their practice management series. It's called Marketing Legal Services. It's this book here. It has a CD. It's now in a second edition, and it's been written by David Monk and Alistair Moyes. We've given it the title, Aiming to Increase the Profitability of Your Practice. Here's a marketing law resource for law practitioners now available from the Law Society, and that's what this book is. It's only a small book. It runs to about 300 pages. Nice index at the back, and there's the CD. You can just see it. Then you can see standard structure. There aren't paragraph numbering points in it. It's more of a sort of flowing text, and it's very much a very readable book. That's the contents section there. You can see on the back it gives you some idea of what they're talking about. There's a lot of blurb available. Do read our review. This is what we say about it. This firm needs more business, so how do you bring it on, and what are your options? Those are really the questions we're talking about. So if you run or manage a law practice and you're looking for answers to questions like these, you need this book. The authors, as I say, are experienced marketing consultants, and of course there are a lot of them around. What there aren't many of course, are those who really understand the legal profession. So it's both rare and reassuring that the two authors are joint directors of the aptly named Marketlaw Ltd, bringing with them a total of 30 years experience in marketing legal services, and that's exactly what you're getting here. It's also reassuring that the book's published by Law Society Publishing, therefore targeted directly at us. The purpose, of course, of marketing is to bring in more business and boost profitability. Whilst these are the aims of any business, law practices in particular need to be a little more selective and subtle in their marketing. That is to say, looking very carefully at what we do, bearing in mind the changes that are currently taking place within the profession. The CD Rom, which accompanies the book, aims to help you thrive in the current challenging economic climate. And we think in the wake of the Legal Services Act 27, this book is very much a must for you, for your firm. It's a very practical approach, which is very welcome, and I think it gives you some very good common sense points. Let me conclude by saying that unlike a lot of other marketing tomes that you've come across, this one, which was published in 2011, and I'm reviewing it at the beginning of 2012, is bang up to date. And for your further research, there's a short bibliography at the back which gives you other places to look for information, and as I say, there's a good index. I think it's an excellent additional marketing resource for your firm. I also think it's very useful for the bar as well. So thank you to Mr. Monk and Mr. Moyes and to Law Society Publishing for a very positive and excellent contribution to where we are in 2012 on marketing legal services. Thank you very much. Bye bye.